A lot of people want to be a grower, but don't always know what a grower does. We actually wear many hats, so today I'm inspecting the plants before they get shipped out. Being based in Miami means we get to grow plants year round, which is a really dope opportunity, but we do deal with a lot more pests and disease down here. So I'm doing a quality check before they're shipped off. Right here is just a technique where I'm brushing the plants to see if anything flies away. If so, I need to inspect further. Insects are smart and they hide really well, so right here sometimes you have to shake them off to see if you can detach them. Right here I'm playing plant detective. I thought I saw something, but it was a false alarm. This is a good tip for you plant owners. Insects like to hide in the new growth, so it's always key to check the new leaves. Also, flipping the leaves over because that's where they like to hide from the sun. This is my last inspection before okaying it, and I had to make sure it was dirt and not an insect. So I give it a little shake and boom, it's just dirt, no problem.